We are making this simple, easy, low budget chocolate ice cream. You don't need to add a lot of ingredients. Okay, you don't need a lot of ingredients, and the ingredients for this particular recipe are very few, easy to get, and above all, you will love it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Trust me, you will fall in love with the recipe, so please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have with me here my 3-in-1 chocolate drink. So any 3-in-1 or any chocolate drink that you have around, you can use it. Okay, any chocolate drink is okay for this recipe. I added some hot water to it and we are giving it a stir. That is the step number 1. Very easy. So do not use cold water or chilled one. Okay, it should be hot so that it can melt very well. And when adding that to it, you shouldn't add a lot of that. Okay, yes, mine was even too much. Yeah, you can reduce yours when you are doing that. Any quantity is okay depending on how you want to fill the chocolate in there. I want to fill it very well, and that was about 1.5 cup of the chocolate mix. I'll go ahead and then add 2 cups of milk powder. You can use any milk powder of your choice, and that should be okay. So I am just going to make sure that it is well melted and we have that perfect outcome we are looking for. Okay, yes, now I brought everything out because we bought it and then I'll continue with the stirring. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So please do well to follow us for more videos. I decided to add more hot water to it and then give it a stir so that the milk powder can also melt very well. And it was too thick for me. Now, when it is well melted, we will proceed with the recipe. So we share the recipes in 3 language on YouTube here. Please do want to subscribe to that channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. You will love it there as well. Okay, yes, you will love it there as well. Now this is what we have. Perfect. And okay, we are just going to get to the next step, and trust me, you will love this recipe. With this next step, please, if you've not watched ice cream based recipe, do want to watch it. I will leave the link in the description, and that is what we are adding. We are adding 2 cups for now to it. If you do remember, not long ago I brought you ice cream based or a creamy recipe that you can add to your ice cream. The link will be in the description. I've added extra 2 again, making 4 cups. I'm just going to give it a stir and then we are good to go. Remember to check on the link in the description. Please do well to check the link in the description. Now mix it well and just look at that creamy outcome that we have gotten. Absolutely perfect, and I just love it. I hope you like it as well. Yes, perfect. I just love it. If you've watched me to this point and you haven't liked the video, can you please do well for me? I will be very, very grateful. Now I went ahead and then add more, so that is making 6 cups, and just look at that. Perfect. At this moment, you can taste the chocolate in there very well because my chocolate was enough. Okay, if you use like a tablespoon or 2, you may not feel it. Yes, so at least half cup should be okay, but I use 1.5. Now I have added my condensed milk. Use it according to your taste. I do not like a lot of sweetness in there, okay? Yes, so give it a stir and then we are good to go. I did that, tasted, and it wasn't enough, so I added more to it. With this particular condensed milk that you saw, does not have a lot of sugar in there, okay? It is not that sweet. That is how it is. The one that I usually use, I had none, so I decided to use that. Now when I tasted, it was perfect and good. So I'll continue with the stirring and then I will share with you what is next. Please do well to watch our other recipes or videos. I know very well that you will love it, okay? So the next step, grab yourself some cups and then fetch this in and then put your sticks in there, or get some ice cream rubber. That is what I am going for, okay? So I am just going to tie it like how you are seeing on the screen. Tie it very well and then perfect, just like this. We are going to repeat it till we are done with everything, and then we will proceed. So after tying everything, this is what we got. Keep it in the freezer overnight or 4 to 6 hours depending on the type of freezer you use, okay? And you are good to go. And the next day it was so good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.